Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store in OnePlus tab. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find anything like Call of Duty, we can actually see the icon, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back to the homepage of Google Play Store and click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now head on to your settings, enter Family, then go for Parental Controls, and here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter Apps and Games, insert your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and now when we go back to the search, we have Call of Duty right here and you can install the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.